Took him out.
Oh, I'm sorry, Dan.
No, bro. No. Oh, that one hurts. I was about to knife like half of them. It's not your fault, though. So unfortunate, though, dude. Every time I'm like balls deep killing stuff, I get TK'd. Like literally every single time. That's why I stopped playing Ambusher. And it's always a grenade.
I just saw a big cluster of TR there. I figured
Yeah,
a
I mean,
sticky
it's not
grenade
your
would
fault.
be perfect.
Yeah.
Enemy medic spotted.
Enemy soldier down.
I get TK'd again! Alright, round 3.
Get you fixed up.
Took him out.
I need ammunition. I need ammo. Just saw an enemy medic.
Enemy soldier down.
Fucking again! Get the fuck out of here!
I hope I didn't just start something, man.
It's the 3rd time in a row. It's because I'm getting balls deep and these fucking idiots just keep throwing like explosives out the side. Minus you. You're not an idiot. Whatever it else is. Yo, I'm about to jump down there. Blueberries, please don't fucking throw explosives for a second. That'd be great.
Enemy soldier down.
Enemy heavy spotted. Enemy infiltrator spotted.
Got him.
Enemy soldier down.
Fire in the hole!
Spotted a hostile medic.
Oh my god, man.
Oh my god, bro. Please. I just killed all of them. Do me a favor and just stop throwing sticky nades for like a minute.
Enemy max. Spotted a hostile medic. Heavy spot.
Let me heal you.
I'll get you fixed up. Visual on a hostile.
It's crazy, bro. Like, I'm getting such good opportunities to stab them and just getting killed every fucking time.
Alright.
I'm back. I owe you one. See if I get fucking killed. Die.
This Max just walked up past like 20 people. No one's shooting at.
Alright, round 7 of getting TK. Let's try it.
Medic in the area.
Enemy infiltrator spotted. Enemy medic spotted. Enemy engineer. I need an engineer.
That heavy that you ran past.
One enemy soldier.
I'm like on top of a dude, stabbing him 3 times and it doesn't hit him. Yeah.
I'm an engineer. I'll repair you. Ammunition here. Enemy heavy spotted.
Let me heal
Frag
you.
out.
I think I killed them off the stairs.
Light assault trooper. Got extra ammunition. Eyes on hostile light assault trooper. I'm an engineer. I'll repair you.
I'll get you fixed.
Visual on a hostile light assault trooper. Enemy light assault in the area.
Take some ammunition.
Chew on this!
No, Dan. No, no, no.
Enemy soldier down.
I'm still alive.
I threw a grenade in there just before you went in.
Spotted a hostile
I survived.
Tango mine.
How?